How to delete account on Likee. So if you want to delete your account on Likee, then first of all you need to open up Likee application. And after opening, now you can simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, now what you can do is simply go for the upper right corner, which has that three dots icon, and here you can go for the last option, which is settings. And then here you can go for the first option, which is account, and under your account you will have four options. So you can simply go for the last option, which is delete account. And now you need to enter your password to verify. So simply enter your password, but if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password. And after that, simply enter your password, and after entering, tap on next. And now you need to tap on continue, and again scroll down, and here you need to tap on the little circle which is on the bottom left, so that you read and accept the agreement, and then tap on delete, which is on the bottom right, and again tap on confirm deletion. And that's it, your account has been deleted. So that's it, that's how you delete your account on Likee. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.